A worldwide HVAC manufacturer is replacing old open torch technology with new induction system to improve quality and reliability of their brazing process. The team aimed to validate the brazing process during a customer visit and conduct additional tests with lab coils to optimize the brazing cycle, ensuring it meets the HVAC industry's stringent quality and efficiency standards. Using copper and brass materials, we conducted multiple tests with different power supplies and heat stations. Materials involved copper and brass HVAC assemblies, 15 mm to 85 mm in diameter, and a silver brazing alloy, 40% with flux. The tests focused on optimizing the brazing cycle, with heat cycle times ranging from 15 to 40 seconds and power settings between 5 kilowatts and 16 kilowatts. The tests yielded promising results, with successful brazing using both 5 kilowatts and 24 kilowatt systems. The Solo 24 system enabled faster heating cycles and better process control, allowing precise fine-tuning. The importance of coil optimization for different part sizes was highlighted, and the team recommended discussing ring dimensions with the alloy manufacturer for better compatibility and efficiency. Integrating flux into the rings was suggested to simplify the process. For more details, use the reference number AR 3464 7300. Don't miss our next case studies and subscribe to our YouTube channel.